Yeah, this week USOIL Technical Analysis, USOIL. Okay, last week what we analyzed went well exactly, but now this week we are expecting some more up. I can clear this one. I can clear this everything. Okay, yeah. So if I take Fibonacci from year to year, okay, yeah, it will went little bit up some more. Maybe it will go there and it will come down. It will come this zone or this zone. Maybe based on that, fundamental things, it will come here. Maybe it will from there. Maybe you can look for buy. But initially, if a little bit go down up, then it will come down. Okay. Thank you.